What's up guys, I'm back for another reaction. This time it's for SUPERM JOPPING. I don't know what jopping means, but without further ado, let's just get into it. 3, 2, 1, let's get it! Look at the visuals, looks like a coliseum. High-tech robots, helicopter. Oh, is that desert shot? Aston Martin. The cars are awesome. Look at that tank. Helicopter, it's like an action movie. Damn. Oh, here we go. Kai, yep. Look at them. Oh, here we go. Well, what are those lights? Looks like drone. Let's go! The choreo is gonna be damn awesome on this. All of them are like dancers. Powerful dance moves. Look at it. So aggressive. What are those things above there? Like bubbles? Helicopter? What is this song about? It's just talking about where the flyest. McLaren. Look at them all black. Just these special effects in this, damn good. Looks like they look like superheroes. The Avengers. Baekhyun, come on. Oh, Taemin. On the motorbike. I think it's all CG. It looks like, oh, look at that stadium. Is that their concert? How big it is? Damn, the dancing in this is lit. Mark, come on. Show me what you got. Kill it. Spin it. Who's that? Taeyong? NCT's Taeyong? Taemin's stadium. Damn. Even bringing out the kicks. My pants are too tight to do that kick. Oh, who? Here we go, Taemin. In the desert. Damn, that stadium shot's awesome with the lights. Oh, skydiving. This is like a full movie. The production on this would have cost so much money. Oh, look at it on the floor. Damn. Here we go, 10 solo breakdance. Now they're in the galaxy. Woo! Oh, damn! Oh, that shot was awesome. The lighting with like these bubbles. Oh, I got a SM Entertainment. You brought the goods. Far out. For those who don't know, SUPERM is it's like, I think it's a project group. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's got like people from EXO, Kai and Baekhyun. It's got NCT's 10, Mark and Taeyong, and it's got Shini's Taemin. I think that's it. Far out. What do you guys think of that? That was a banger. Oh, I'm sweating. Had to dance because they're dancing the whole time. The production on this is like would have been so expensive. Looks like a full action movie with the drone shots in the desert. Oh, but they would have done, it looks like a lot of the scenes were using CG, computer graphics, and the visual effects were amazing, like just the camera angles and everything. video editing was on point. The song itself, I liked it. It was quite turn up. It's very like it is a typical sort of K-pop style, electronic pop, K-pop sound, I feel. But yeah, it was more of a turned up song. I enjoyed it. Tell me what you guys think of this. I wonder, actually I heard they're going on Ellen DeGeneres show. They're in America at the moment. They're going to be doing all these performances in America on these shows, so good on them. 3 of them I believe can speak English. Baekhyun and who else? Sorry. Tan, Mark and Lucas, they can speak English fluently. So that will help a lot on the shows. All the best to them, because SM has really been missing like some really powerful impact. Their choreography, oh damn, so powerful as we expected, because they're all dancers, pretty much. Thanks for watching guys, that's all I'm going to say. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my reactions. Leave a like and comment below. Peace!